Hello, listeners. This is your RJ Nikita, and I welcome you all to Anubhav project implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Government of India has initiated Elder Toll-Free number 14567. Elders or anyone behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries, and support to elderly. Now, Mr. Manjunath is going to talk about healthy aging. Over to you, Manjunath, sir.
Hi all, I am B.V. Manjunath, a retired executive engineer from Karnataka Power Corporation. Following is my observation or rather experience with reference to the topic how to remain young as you grow old. Of course, this may be true to one strata of seniors, that is, those retired from government service with a comfortable pension to depend on for life, to which I belong, which means to say you are not financially depending on your children, which of course is a huge thing that changes the equation of your relation with your children. This may this by any measure does not mean that I have not experienced poverty. I do have gone through that stage when I was young, but without actually realizing it. My observation may not be different from what all you had or gathered from various WhatsApp posts. Nevertheless, I would like to jot it down as below, linking it to my own activity. Number one, involve yourself in some physical and mental activity like I have joined basic active aging online sessions. Second, pursue some hobby probably which you really wanted but so far could not due to paucity of time or whatever reason. Start now, it is never too late. Like I had felt my voice was not bad for singing when I was young. Now I am pursuing it. Any game you are interested in, uh, carry out with it, carry on with it. Like I feel good to play tennis and I am continuing it. Number three, to top it all, contribute something, however small it is, to the society which has given us so much. Like I have financed to build a washroom complex in a government school in a village which was lacking. Number four, never moan about your past, it brings tears. Don't think about future, you will only fear. Do well in your present, it will bring cheer. Number five, do not advise your children unsolicited. Number six, love, love thy grandchildren and enjoy. In turn, do not mourn if they do not reciprocate. There are so many orphanages in which children are longing for love. See what you can do. Number seven, do not always stay indoors. Go out, make friends, keep in touch with your hostel mates, college mates, etc. Join some like minded people's group. Go for outings. Like I have joined NEEC, uh, Nightingales Elders Enrichment Center, and some karaoke singing groups. Number eight, spend more time with your spouse now if you have one. Watch TV programs of your liking, that is, sports, music, quiz, etc., but not any which give you negative vibes. Number 10, Go through your WhatsApp posts, absorb only positive ones. The list is endless, of course. All these are easier said than done, but you can always make an attempt. Thank you for patient hearing.
Listeners, I hope you too liked it. Stay tuned to Area Ravani for such nice program. Government of India has initiated toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone behalf of elders can call between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.